The northern lights, or aurora borealis, have long captivated the imaginations of people around the world. These dazzling displays of light dance across the night sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that has inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. But recent warnings from scientists suggest that there's more to these beautiful light shows than meets the eye. Specifically, there is a new phenomenon being referred to as head-on auroras, which have sparked concern and curiosity within the scientific community and among the public. To understand the nature of these head-on auroras, we first need to delve into the basics of what causes the northern lights. The aurora borealis occurs when charged particles from the sun, carried by the solar wind, interact with the Earth's magnetic field. These particles collide with gases in the Earth's atmosphere, such as oxygen and nitrogen, causing them to emit light. This process typically occurs around the polar regions, where the Earth's magnetic field is the strongest, creating the spectacular displays that can be seen in places like Norway, Canada, and Alaska. However, not all auroras are created equal. The intensity, color, and behavior of an aurora can vary significantly, depending on factors such as the strength of the solar wind, the types of gases in the atmosphere, and the altitude at which the collisions occur. What makes the head-on auroras particularly intriguing and concerning is their unique presentation and the potential implications for those who observe them. Scientists have recently observed that these head-on auroras appear to be coming directly towards the observer, rather than the more common side-on view. This head-on appearance can create the illusion that the aurora is rushing towards the viewer, creating a dramatic and somewhat unsettling experience. This phenomenon has been described as a tunnel of light, with intense colors and movements that seem to engulf the sky. The cause of these head-on auroras is still under investigation, but preliminary research suggests that they may be related to specific alignments of the Earth's magnetic field and the solar wind. When these alignments occur, they can create conditions that funnel the charged particles directly towards the observer, rather than scattering them across a broader area. This focused stream of particles can intensify the aurora, creating the head-on effect. But beyond the scientific curiosity, there are also safety considerations for those who travel to see the northern lights. The sudden appearance of a head-on aurora can be startling and even disorienting, particularly for individuals who are not familiar with the phenomenon. There have been reports of people feeling dizzy or overwhelmed when confronted with these intense light displays. As such, scientists and tour operators are beginning to issue warnings to those who venture out to view the northern lights, advising them to be aware of the possibility of encountering a head-on aurora and to take appropriate precautions. Despite the potential concerns, the allure of the northern lights remains as strong as ever. The chance to witness one of nature's most beautiful and awe-inspiring displays continues to draw people from all over the world. And for those who are fortunate enough to experience a head-on aurora, the experience can be both thrilling and unforgettable. The intense colors and dynamic movements of these auroras create a sense of wonder and excitement that is difficult to describe. In conclusion, the discovery of head-on auroras adds a new layer of intrigue and excitement to the study of the northern lights. As scientists continue to investigate the causes and implications of these phenomena, we are reminded of the endless mysteries that the cosmos holds. The northern lights, with their dazzling displays and complex interactions, remain one of the most captivating and awe-inspiring sights in the natural world. Whether viewed from a scientific, cultural, or artistic perspective, the auroras continue to inspire wonder and curiosity, inviting us to explore the beauty and complexity of our universe. So, the next time you find yourself under a clear, dark sky, take a moment to look up and marvel at the northern lights, and perhaps you will be fortunate enough to witness the breathtaking spectacle of a head-on aurora.